Hello again! Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, and I'm sorry, but I'm gonna try and stay consistent with uploading. I've also just been lazy. Anyway, it's September. It's coming. That means it's fall. It's 90 degrees outside right now, but it's fall in my brain. So, that means fall makeup, and that is my favorite kind of makeup. Nice, warm, amazing. And if you're wondering, I have not planned any of this. We're just gonna 100% wing everything right now. So, let's start with eyebrows. Let me tell you guys, it has been so long since I've actually done my makeup, and that's because I got my wisdom teeth taken out recently. So doing my makeup did not sound fun. So we're just gonna see how this goes overall. Usually when I go a while without doing my makeup, I suck, and it takes me a few days to bounce back. So let's do that. Eyebrows are done. Anyway, I found a look that I want to do. Smack on some primer, lay down your base color. The look that I'm going for involves that halo cut crease where it's like really only in the middle, and I've never been good at those. I'm just gonna keep trying, I guess, until I get it perfect. So, starting off with the Naked Cherry palette, I'm going in with the color Devilish. I'm gonna put that all, pretty much all over the place, around my crease area. So now I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Alien Palette with the shade Area 51. Add that to the color that we just put down, almost in the same area but not blended out as far as the other color. And then I'm gonna go in and layer that other color on top of it because I'm interested in seeing how that will look. Again, with the Area 51 palette, we're gonna take Black Hole, pretty much just, again, same areas but not as blended out as the other ones. Now going in with Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette with the shade Saffron, which is just kind of a nice deep red color. And we're gonna lay that on top of the black. This is becoming very grunge, but we'll clean it up and then you will see my vision, I hope. Because being honest right now, I can't even see my vision. I mean, come along now. This looks horrifying. So I'm taking the same color that I used for my base color and a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna kind of clean up this brow bone because I'm afraid of how high I blended that. So I'm gonna clean up under my eyes now. Okay, you know what? It's honestly not that bad. We can work with it. but I'm gonna fix it. The Violet Voss Sugar Crystals Palette, and I'm going with the color Jelly Bean.
We're not done yet. We're gonna try and do a halo eye, and I don't even know where to start, so that's cool. I have a pretty bad feeling about this, but we're gonna continue. What is this called? Oh, good. It's called Illuminati by artist Couture. You know what? It's not so bad, but I do need to fix it. So I'm gonna go back in with this black hole shade on the Alien palette, a very small amount, and kind of blend the edges at the bottom a bit. Okay, so we got the eyes all done. Let's move on to our face. Time to contour. Now that my face is all done, it's time for eyelashes, which will really, hopefully, pull this look together. let's move on to lips. I think that concludes this video. You know what? I'm proud of it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long. But I'm back, and I will be consistent. If you want to like, comment, and subscribe, that would be like really cool. I will see you next week because I'm going to be uploading weekly. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss that. It's gonna be a whole nother mess. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I haven't even thought that far.